Okay. Present you. Okay, class. Okay, class. Today we are going to do English A sheet number 10. This sheet. Everyone, open your sheet number 10, English A. Done, everyone? So today our topic is storms. Today we are going to learn about do practice about what are storms, and we will. The thing that we have to do is read the passage, the storm, and solve the given worksheet. So we will read this passage and then we will solve these two questions. Okay, class. So before reading out the storm about storm, let's watch what is storm. If we will watch it in a video, then you will better understand it.
Rolling across the land, they darken the skies. And
Okay, this is a storm.
up on the horizon, they rumble. Rolling across the land, they darken the skies, then spark fire in the darkness, letting out an unmistakable roar.
Okay, this is a thunderstorm.
Thunderstorms are rain showers accompanied by lightning and thunder. While violent, these weather phenomena are common, with about 2,000 occurring at any moment worldwide. There are four major types of thunderstorms. Single cell, which are small, weak, and isolated storms. Multi-cell, a common type of storm that includes a cluster of thunderstorms. Squall line, a collection of storms that can form a line hundreds of miles long. And supercells, the most intense kind of storm capable of producing tornadoes. All thunderstorms form when warm air in the lowest layers of the atmosphere rises. Called an updraft, this air causes water from the Earth's surface to evaporate. It carries the moisture upward to form clouds. The clouds then build and grow, sometimes as tall as 10 miles high. The clouds darken as they fill and become heavy with water. Cool, dry air from the upper layers of the atmosphere, known as a downdraft, then pull this moisture downward, causing it to fall as life-sustaining rain. In addition to helping sustain life, thunderstorms also help maintain the planet's balance of energy and electricity. When energy, specifically in the form of heat, causes water to evaporate, the heat is carried upward with the water vapor. As the vapor condenses and forms water droplets, it releases the heat into the higher altitudes of the atmosphere and cools the Earth's surface. Thunderstorms also help regulate the electrical balance between the atmosphere and the planet. As clouds in a thunderstorm develop, excess positive and negative charges form within them. At a certain point, this buildup of opposite charges leads to the transfer of electrons in the form of lightning. This transference of electricity occurs so quickly that it breaks the sound barrier, a phenomenon that produces thunder. While thunderstorms are necessary for maintaining balance in the atmosphere, they can also be hazardous. Lightning strikes create fires. Excessive rainfall can cause flash flooding, and high-speed winds from tornadoes can destroy homes.
Okay, class. This is one of the videos that we had to watch. Okay. Let's watch this one. It's also very interesting.
Hi guys, look, what a heavy rain. Oh, it's a thunderstorm. Have you seen the lightning? Let's find find out what a thunderstorm is and why it happens. First, water evaporates from the surface of the earth. Warm air, saturated with water vapor, rises up. As this happens, the air cools, because the higher we get above the ground, the colder it becomes. This is noticeable when you look at mountains. Their peaks are snow-covered, while the areas at the foot of the mountain
Okay,
are still
class.
warm.
So this is the
At
procedure
the higher
how we
altitudes, the
see
water vapor turns
how
into
the
a fog.
storm comes and how the rain and thunderstorm comes.
That is, small
You can
droplets
check.
of water. Now, clouds of different shapes are formed from the fog. But in order to get rain with a thunderstorm, the clouds need to be very large. Such clouds are called cumulus. At the top of the cloud, it is so cold that the water there begins to freeze and ice crystals are formed. Then these crystals begin to fall and become the centers of formation of large drops of water, which
So
move
these
down.
drops of water comes down
Look at the
and
cloud. Its
then
top
lot
settles
of
down and
clouds
becomes
to the
flat,
rain.
and the cloud itself now resembles a mushroom or an anvil. This means that large drops are already flying down, and rain will soon pour out of the cloud. For a thunderstorm to appear, there should be a separation of the electric charge. Large and heavy cloud particles usually have a negative charge. Let's mark this with the minus sign. And lighter particles have a positive charge. It is usually marked with the plus sign. Large and heavy cloud particles fall faster, and the charge in the cloud separates, creating an electric voltage. This is what causes lightning.
This electrical
But what
voltage
is
is basically
lightning?
the lightning.
This is an electrical discharge, more precisely, an electric spark of enormous size. We can create small electric sparks in the dark if we rub a balloon against hair or clothes, woolen or synthetic ones. Look, there are the sparks. Lightning is the same electric spark, only many times bigger. So what is the thunder we hear during a thunderstorm? Remember when we created sparks with friction, we heard clicks? Just like lightning is many times greater than our sparks, the sound it produces is louder than our clicks. This is called thunder. Did you notice that during a thunderstorm, we always see lightning first, and only after that we hear thunder? This is because the light of the lightning reaches us almost instantly, since the speed of light is very fast. Thunder is a sound, and the speed of sound is much slower, so the thunder reaches us with a delay. It's very important to know about safety during a thunderstorm. Usually, lightning strikes high objects. Therefore, during a thunderstorm, you shouldn't hide from the rain under a tree. During a thunderstorm, it is dangerous to be in the water or even near any body of water, as water conducts an electric current.
Okay, class.
But to watch a thunderstorm from the window of your house is safe and interesting.
Okay, so now let's stop and let's get back to. I hope you have understood. You have got some idea about how the thunderstorms are like. Now let's read out this. The storm. The rain began early in the morning. It fell as hard drops one after another. The sky was full of dark purple clouds. Thunder began as a soft rumble and became louder and louder. Lightning crashed every few minutes, making the sky a brilliant white. So it's a thunderstorm. So let's see the questions. What is the main idea? Circle the correct answer. What is the main idea of this paragraph? The farms needed the rain. The thunder hurt the people's ear. Lightning made the sky bright. The storm was very strong. So, class, what is the main idea?
Teacher, excuse me, teacher. The main idea is that
What is the main idea?
lightning made the sky bright.
No, this is not the main idea. The main idea is the storm was very strong. Why? Because you see, lightning crashed every few minutes, and the it was getting louder and louder. The storm was very hard, so it means that the storm was very strong. Means it was not very light storm, it was very strong storm, like hard drops and other, and the heavy rain with lightning also, thunder also, clouds were dark. So it's the main idea is that the storm was very hard. Okay, so circle this. Write three details from the story in the boxes. Now we will write three details in the boxes. So I am going to write here. You can write it now with me. Detail number one. So आपने first detail ये लिखनी है. Let me open your. Okay. So first detail is that the rain began early in the morning. First detail is the rain began early in the morning. Okay, class, this is your first detail. Your second detail. How many details we have to write? Three details we would write only. So second detail. Second detail, the sky was, it was, okay, the sky was full of dark purple clouds. Okay, so second detail is the sky was full of dark purple clouds. The sky was full of dark purple clouds. I think somebody has entered. Okay, so the sky was full of dark purple clouds, and dark purple clouds, thunder began.
Assalamualaikum, teacher.
Walaikum salam. Clouds, thunder
टीचर
began.
कौन से बुक निकालनी
English
है?
A, English A, sheet number 10. Thunder began. Where I am. Okay, thunder began and became louder and louder. This is your second detail. Third detail. Third detail is lightning crashed every few minutes, making the sky brilliant. Lightning made the sky brilliant white. Okay, class, these are your three details. Write it down quickly. Do let me know whether you have done. आपने जब लिख लेंगे तो मुझे बता दें.
नहीं करवाई.
This is sheet number 10. You have to write it in sheet number 10. We are doing sheet number 10, everyone.
कहाँ लिखना है?
Let me show you. कहाँ लिखना है. You just entered late in our class. That's why you don't know. Here, detail 1, 2, 3. You have to write it in this blocks.
Okay.
Okay, class, done?
तो मैं पहले पे हूँ.
Okay, do it fast.
ठीक है तो उसे पर स्क्रीन कर दे.
What?
उसे पर स्क्रीन कर दे.
Okay. Is it fine now?
Done. ठीक है done.
Okay.
मेरा डन हो थोड़े से बस. टीचर मैंने लिख लिया.
Yes, class, done? Your class time is up. Done?
Teacher, I'm done. Teacher done.
Okay. Okay, class, now it's time for your attendance. Let's
Teacher,
see
my
how
name
many.
is Fatima Bhatt from AIT.
Okay, wait.
Teacher, my name is Taha
Grade 3.
Branch.
Let me check yesterday's attendance. Okay, Javeria Usman, grade 3. That's not grade 3. It's grade 3, right?
Teacher, my name is Fatima Bhatt from AIT.
Fatima, but okay, wait. I have got it now.
Teacher, my
Fatima, but
name is
present.
Asher Naim from AIT branch.
Asher name, done. Muhammad
Teacher,
Taha,
my name is Anwar from Kanal branch.
what's your name?
Taha Anwar from Kanal branch.
Taha Anwar or Taha Zishan?
Taha Anwar.
Okay, Taha Anwar. And next, Haram Saif, present.
Yes.
Haram Saif is present. No. Zishan,
Yes.
Haram Saif is present. Okay. Zishan from Kinal
Yes,
branch.
teacher.
Zishan from Kinal branch, present. 5 students are present. Okay, 1, 2.
Yes, my name is
Who,
Haram
who
Saif
is
from
Annie
Kanal
Rashid? Tell
branch.
me your name. Annie Rashid.
My name is Adim from Kanal branch.
What's your name?
My name is Adim for Kanal branch.
Adeem.
My name is Adim Rashid for Kanal branch.
Okay, done. Okay, class, I'll see you next
My
time.
name is Haram Saif from Kanal branch.
Yes, I have done.
What is
Haram
your
Saif
name?
is done. What's your name?
Teacher, what